Good evening, guys. So it's yeah, yeah. It's quarter to 6 p.m. in evening. Today, 26th of March, 2026. I am on my second time upload, recording, and practice. Although since morning I have been very busy, I am quite exhausted and I have also to go out, eat out at my sister's place because it's my nephew Bhanja birthday today, and so we entire family are going to celebrate his birthday. And I don't have any idea to talk about, so I was thinking, and due to Ram Navami this place is quite noisy. You can hear the background of news, although they are speaking our God's name, so I should not say that it's noise. But in my perspective, I'm also do puja, do worship, and daily I in morning every time whenever I get time, I don't forget to remember my Bhagwan, God, Ishwar. But I take it differently. I like to do puja, but I don't want to doing my puja activities. I don't want to disturb anyone. And if we do puja ourselves, then definitely it change our everything. Everything means our God took take care of everything, our mind first of all. Yeah, we have to do our job honestly. We can't refrain from our job, but but when we believe in God, then definitely we should have faith on that. If I am doing right thing, then nothing can happen to us and everything will be fine. This kind of positivity, when we connect to the Almighty, any God, any form of God, then this kind of belief system develop, and we live happily, and we don't fear about any kind of any kind of uh, kind of obstacle, hurdle in our life. So this is the effect of puja, and I do puja, and but I in the sake of puja I don't want to make noise. That's why I am calling it's a noise, although they are relentlessly recite God's name, and this is also a very good for our surrounding, our environment. People say, but in my opinion, puja should be quietly, and there is no need to any only God and we don't, if we don't speak from our mouth, God, Ishwar also understand our inner self, what thoughts are in running in our mind. So I think we don't need to think about we don't need to uh, make noise in the sake of calling it puja, jap, kirtan, whatever we are saying. So I live here, so there is two marriage hall beside my home, and when marriage season starts, then the both of uh, hotel marriage hall are booked, and they usually play loud noise songs. So for this I am also, whenever any uh, any kind of noisiness started, I just started feeling not good. So what should I talk about? So in this video I would like to say what is success. If success is achieving a higher post or owning expensive things or getting name and fame, is that success? I don't think so, in my view. As according to me, that success is everywhere when you in dark room and you just push yourself from dark room to get in light. That is also success. Whenever do a little thing and you can perfectly do that things, that is also success. And if you like, I am I have been consistently uploading videos. I can say it is also a kind of success, because you can see my position. I have been quite busy and quite exhausted, and I didn't have time to record, but because of I didn't wanted want to break my consistency. And even though I didn't have any idea, any topic to speak, still I just came and opening the camera, I started speaking, and it has been more than 9 minutes and going to finish 10 minutes. So I am speaking, so I call it also a success. So it's up to you what is the, I think success is not a big thing. Each and everywhere, when you do your job perfectly, rightly, and somehow you manage to do your job and you have done, then that is success for me. So in a day-to-day life, everywhere where we start something doing, we initially feel some problems, obstacles, some hurdle, and uh, and all that obstacle, all the, regarding all that obstacle, we we don't stop ourselves and keep moving forward. So in my opinion, that is the also success. So it is all about today. I somehow managed. Yesterday evening I didn't have idea, and I had to go out and to watch movie. So I somehow managed to record for 10 minutes. And morning I was also not feeling good, but somehow I managed to record myself. And this time also I am not I didn't have idea about something, but I just came and started speaking, and see, I am speaking, and somehow I managed to continue my journey, consistency. So for me, I am successful man. So thank you for watching up to now. So it's it is time to go out. So here I am winding up this video. Thank you for watching up to now. So here I am taking your leave. Have a wonderful evening and with good night. Thank you. Thank you very much.